You know what I love more than beating my own record on this? Beating my wife's cheeks. Alright, on a serious note, you guys came back for another video. You see I made 250K in one day. You wanna know if it's possible, how you can do the same thing? I'm letting you know right now, you can do the same thing. It's very possible, but it's gonna take time. Like, you're not gonna just make $250,000 fucking dollars tonight and then, you know, go tomorrow and buy a McLaren or something. But you can get there, because you gotta remember something. When it comes to trading Forex, it's the most scalable business possible. You choose how much you make. You can easily scale a $100 account to $1 million. It's not gonna happen overnight, so don't just take this and clip it and post it everywhere. This guy's fucking crazy. No, I'm not saying it's gonna happen overnight, but you can take $100 to $1 million. You can slowly compound to 10K, then to 20, then to 100K, 300K, up to $1 million. It's very possible. I've done it. I did it. That's why I'm here. Started off with $100, $200. I mean, I didn't start with $1 million. So, like I said, you can do it. It's very possible. All you really need is some guidance. You need some help, right? So, I got something special for you guys. A lot of you guys already know this, but I have a new app. It's called it's not even new anymore, but it's called the Clarity Forex app. It's on the App Store, it's on the Play Store, and it's 100% free. You get free content, free courses, free strategies, free breakdowns. All these trades that I'm taking and I'm showing you guys on YouTube, I'm there posting it every single day or every other day. So, if you guys are missing me on YouTube because I'm not posting on YouTube, I'm on the Clarity Forex app posting all the time, so get on there. I'll leave a link down in the description. You guys can sign up. This motherfucker came in for a tool. You getting a tool? Alright, get your tools and get out. That's one of 5 kids, so it's busy out here. But anyway, so like I said, the Clarity Forex app, it's free. You got all this free content on there, and you guys are gonna actually see all the trades that I take broken down for you guys, so you guys can become great traders and get to this position one day. Down in the description, you'll find the Clarity Forex app. I'll say it one more time for you guys that weren't paying attention. It's free, so go download it, enjoy the content, learn from it. You guys can become great traders as well. Fucking God. Main reason you guys clicked the video is because you want to see the actual breakdown on how I was able to make $250,000 in one day, right? One NASDAQ trade made me $220,000 just in one day. I mean, it took like maybe an hour and a half. It was so fast, just like that. But you guys want to see that. So we're going to break that down for you guys today, show you guys exactly how I did it, the trading strategy I used, and all that good stuff. So you clicked on the right video today. Just sit back, relax, and just do me 1 favor, 2 favors, 3 favors. Like the video. You got to like the video. If you don't like the video, then you'll never be a good trader. You gotta like the video, that's for good luck. Second thing is, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And the third thing is, follow me on Instagram at MambaFx Trading. You're gonna get more content, all that good shit. And then the 5th thing is, you're gonna actually get the Clarity Forex app, because it's gonna help you out a lot, okay? With that being said, here we go. Before we get into the actual breakdown, here is the trade, how much I made, the history tab, all that good stuff. As you can see, $269,000 made on the day, but only I think $220,000 made on the actual NASDAQ markets themselves. So we're gonna really get into the beef and like show you guys the NASDAQ trade. Everything else is pretty much the same strategy, so I don't have to break down every single trade, but this was how I made 250K in one single day. Let's get into it, man. Smash that like button, get the Clarity Forex app, and let's do it. Let's break that down, but before I break that down, I do want to actually show you guys the Clarity Forex app to show you guys, hey, like this is legit, this is the signals that have been sent out, and here's where we are. Last night we had a 100 pip move on gold, beautiful move. We broke even right before that, but then we actually re-entered at a lower rate. Nice, 100 pips, okay? But let's really look at the big trade, right? The bulky trade, and that's this NASDAQ NAS 100 trade we took that caught us 2,950 pips. Ridiculous. Like it literally it made more pips than I did money because I got out early, but it kept going. Like it wasn't gonna stop. Almost made 3,000 pips on this one move, and this was sent out to everybody on the Clarity Forex app who paid, right? This is not the free version of it, but paid version, which I recommend you guys get if you really want to make a lot of money and learn at the same time, so you can actually see my trades live and see why I'm taking those trades with breakdowns and all this good stuff combined. Is going to make you a great trader faster and get you to where you need to be so you can make 250K in one day. Like I said, it's not easy. This could take you 3, 4, 5, even 10 years to get to, but if you work hard, start now, you can get there a lot faster. With that being said, 2950, 100 pips last night. I can actually show you guys real quick that gold trade from last night. Very nice trade. As you can see, it was a 100 pip move. Very nice, very nice. It's a 1-to-4 ratio. We only send, good ratios, as you can see. I only sent good. It's a 1 to 5 right here. Right here we have a what does it say? 1 to 4 is only good ratios. Okay, 1 to 4, and that's pretty much it. That's all you're gonna see is those really good ratios. Anyways, a lot of breakouts. I mean, I really do this. But let's go ahead and break down the trade. Let's break down why I took this trade, what I saw, and all that good stuff. Okay, it's very simple. It's a very simple setup that I take every single time, and I will take it continuously every single time. If you look at our 5-minute chart, right, and it's always better to start on a higher time frame, so we'll actually do that real quick just to show you what I saw. But we're looking at the daily. Where are we on the daily? We have a nice rejection, right, a big rejection candle on the daily. In what zone? Well, I like to call this a little bit of a clutter zone. This is a zone where price is actually having, resistance. Actually, this is supply. We have supply here, okay? Right here, more supply. So this is actually more of a supply zone, which had now kind of turned into a little bit of a demand zone / support, resistance, different ways to look at it. I talk about it more on the actual Clarity Forex app. But look at this. Look at the perfect zone. It rejected this area. So if we go down to our H4 and we look for more confluence, well, guess what, guys? Look what we have. We have support. This is a support zone. We created support here. It's pretty simple, guys. Price has created support. When price creates support, a lot of the times we reject it and we move up. So when you have more confluences, you're not just looking for support by itself. So now that we've seen the H4, we've seen the daily, we know that we think we're looking for buys now, and we have confidence to look for buys on a smaller time frame. All I did was go down to my 5-minute chart, and guess what I found? I talk about this every single day in the Clarity Forex app. It's a breakout pattern. And for me, I don't like to trade the breakouts necessarily, but the pre-breakouts. I like to get in there before it breaks out when I know it's going to break out so I can get as much pips as possible. For example, in this trade, if I would have taken the actual breakout, we would have actually taken this buy until right here, right? And that's the difference of a lot, right? If I would have taken a buy right here on this breakout candle, I would have missed potentially 1,200 pips. Imagine missing 1,200 pips because you didn't pre-breakout trade, okay? It's a big deal. So with that being said, not only do we have a beautiful breakout pattern, right? And a breakout pattern is very simple. It's just the tops or the bottoms of a trend. If we're going down, we're looking at the tops. We're looking for price to break out of this trend, okay? Overall, price is coming down, but we're at that support, as I said on the H4 the daily, so we can kind of predict that price is going to break out of this trend. It's pretty simple. Now, if you're looking at it the other way, and you want to find sell opportunities, like I said, you draw it from the bottom on an uptrend, and then boom, you have that breakout. This is a more accurate trade because overall price is trending down, and then you just have a pause, you have it coming up now, and then breaking out to the downside, okay? It's pretty simple. Pre-breakout trade right here. We see that we are also at a support, right? We have support on the 5-minute chart, so we can have our stop loss nice and tight right under this zone. I only risked about 30 or 40K, so this was basically like a 1 to 5 trade, or like, no, let me see, a 1 to 3.6 trade, excuse me. So, I risked a certain amount that I was okay with, I was comfortable with, to make a really large amount, okay? And that's kind of the way you want to play the game. With that being said, we have support, we have pre-breakout, but don't forget, H4 and daily is also telling us we're going up. All these different things telling us we're going up is what you want to see, and that's how you can make your strategy perfect, is to have confluence, okay? You want to have confluence. You want to have different things telling you the same thing. Different time frames telling you the same thing, okay? With that being said, we're on that support, right? We have support. We showed the H4 and the dailies going bullish. We have the pre-breakout pattern. We have a lot of things telling us, hey, we're going to buy. So I took my buy and I waited it out. Okay, right here, we could took another entry on an actual breakout because now you know, hey, we're really breaking out, okay? And you would have made even more money. But with that being said, stop loss, previous high. Previous high on this actual trend line that I've drawn. Previous high is right there. Guess what would have happened if you would have actually tried to keep holding this to this high? Like, you want to see what would have happened? My take profits are better than anybody. Like, nobody has better take profit zones than me. To the T. Almost every single time it comes to the T, hit take profit, and then goes back the other way. Because I know what I'm doing, and I know that this is actually supply. And when price comes to the supply zone, we may actually see price fill orders and continue back down. Okay, you have to remember that, because a lot of people, they will try to hold for too long and they'll get stopped out, break even, and then you're really upset, your psychology's off, and you're messing up, all right? Now, with that being said, these are the trades that I'm taking every single day on the Clarity Forex app. This is life. This is what I do. If you guys want to get in on here, get the free content, get the free courses, get the strategy breakdowns, all that free stuff, download the Clarity Forex app. It's down in the description. If you want the signals, it's an option. It's on there. Get the signals if that's what you want. But you don't got to get the signals. You don't. I mean, that's completely up to you. Will it help you grow fast? Yes, but you don't have to do it. I give you guys free options because I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to really benefit the community and help you guys out 100% for free. with that being said, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys coming back for another video. I know it's been a long time since I've created a video, but I'm trying to come back. I'm posting on Clarity Forex every day. If you really want to see me, you want to see my content, it's on there almost every day. Weekly outlook videos, breakdowns, all that good stuff. It's all on there. So go get the Clarity Forex app today. Sorry I keep plugging it, but I really want you guys to know where I'm at because I get comments all the time. Where are you? Post another video, post another video. I am posting videos. They're there. You're just not in the right spot. Okay? With that being said, my filmer told me that I say with that being said way too much, but with that being said, smash that like button if you enjoyed. You want to see more videos like this? I got you. Just let me know. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Don't tell me how I'm feeling when you really don't know. Used to be my little shotty at all of my shows. Yeah, I bust a couple shots if you fuck with my bro. Now you're thinking that you're wrong, cause you know what I don't. Started at the bottom and you used to be here. Now you're seeing that I'm up and you say it's not fair. You wanted me back, but I really don't.